Hey there, today I want to do a follow-up video on my Solgaard carry-on suitcase. So I did an unboxing video, I think it's about a year ago, and I have gotten a ton of questions. So I just got to my hotel, you can see I'm in a hotel room here, and I just want to show you, I'm about to unpack it, and I want to just kind of show you a little bit about kind of how I pack it and what I think of it and all of that. Okay, so to unpack, I've got it laying on the bed right now, and it's really simple to open this up. And when I open this up, you'll see that on one side, well, I actually put a hoodie over the top here because I was wearing it earlier, but one side I've got my clothes and the carry-on portion, and then the other part is zipped up. So this is the part I want to unzip right here. And just to show you, and I'm just on a weekend trip, so there's my makeup bag, which of course just takes up like half of the suitcase. So I'm going to pull that out along with my curling iron. That was a big question I got, is somebody asking, well, how does this work for like a girl, you know, with all the stuff? And then there's like a toiletries bag. I have a pair of tennis shoes in here, and let's see, oh, of course I've got to bring a makeup mirror, especially. God, I'm a nerd. And then all of my like cords and stuff. So then what I'll do is I will zip this all back up just like that. And then over here, unsecure my carry-on closet portion of this, and I can just pull this out. Now I'm just going to take this suitcase now, and yeah, I'm filming with a phone, so this makes it fun. But the cool thing here is that there's a little clip deal right here, and this can, sorry, it's trying to do this with one hand, and this will clip in here just like, you're really meant to do this with two hands, but anyway, I'll end up securing that, so that way it'll stay at a 90-degree angle right there. Then I'll pull the handle up right here, just like that, and then over here with our carry-on closet portion is where I've packed my clothes. And if I go up against this, maybe I'll be able to do this this is not a one-handed kind of a job, but here we go. And just clip that. So just gonna clip that on there so it clips. And then there's my clothes right here. So in here I have some socks. I'm just on a weekend trip, so I have some socks and pajamas. I have probably 2 or 3 pairs of pants, 3 or 4 shirts, and it all fits in there really, really nicely. And now everything is super organized so that when I go tomorrow to get dressed, it's really, really simple to do. All right, so there's my follow-up on the Solgaard carry-on suitcase. I really have loved it. I have taken this on several flights. I have traveled with it on road trips, whatever. I love the 4 wheels. I've had 4-wheel suitcases before that sucked and were very difficult to use. This one works great on both 2 wheels and 4 wheels. I'm trying to think of some of the other questions. A big one was how does it fit all of your girl stuff, makeup and hair dryer and all that kind of thing. And it works out great for me. Another question is how long, a trip could you do? In this particular case, I'm just doing a weekend trip. So I have traveled with it for a week, but I also brought another duffel bag, so it kind of doesn't count as far as that, and I checked something else. Now, with that though, I have recently purchased the check-in closet of Solgaard, and that one is so much roomier, and it is a really great choice for those longer trips or those times. It happens to be wintertime right now, and with traveling, it means, bringing heavier stuff, bringing more hoodies or sweaters and things like that, and that's going to just fit into the check-in closet a lot easier, especially if I'm traveling with gear. Today I'm just filming on my phone, but anyway, I hope that's helpful for you. And since that first video that I did, of course I did become an affiliate because it is one of my favorite things, and I love it so much that I bought a second one. And so I see myself using this suitcase for years to come. It's really, really held up beautifully. And just as a bonus too, I have to say, I love the fact that it's made out of recycled ocean plastic. That really makes me happy. It makes me feel good about it. But more than anything, it works beautifully. It works exactly how I would want to do it. And it's so much simpler, just so much simpler than any of the other luggage I've had. So anyway, I hope you find that helpful. helpful. And thanks for checking out my channel. Definitely hit that subscribe button, and I will have more videos in 2022 than I had in 2021. It was a crazy year that took me by storm. So I'll see you guys next in another video.